Now, the last thing I need to show you here on the Blueshift DEX is the yield pools. Now, this is an opportunity for anyone that is a Blues holder to earn extra Blues tokens. Now, you have two options of staking your Blues tokens here. You have the auto hodl Blues pool and also the manual Blues pool. Now, this is different options in regards to how you may want to interact with the DEX. And as you can see, the auto hodl pool has a really high APR, an APR of 183.14%. Now, this is an extra boosted percentage APR for hodlers, people that lock in their particular tokens in that pool for an extended period of time. Now, there are some unlock periods that the DEX needs to meet, and you can see this up here in the various epochs. So we've got one epoch of 200 million and then a second epoch of 500 million. So this is the amount of TVL that's on the DEX, and it's in US dollars. So as the market goes back up, we should see this value reach up to the 200 million mark, and you'll be able to unlock your liquidity or unlock your rewards, I should say, and you'll be able to unlock your rewards from the auto hodl pool and then stake them, sell them, or do whatever you want. This is an inflationary protection mechanism for the ecosystem to try and reduce the sell pressure of the token itself. If you want to learn more about the smart minting system and the auto hodl pools and the yield pools on the Blueshift decentralized exchange, check out our documentation and check out some of our articles on our website. Now, in this case, I'm going to play around with the manual Blues pool. This is really good for anyone that likes to move their liquidity around and look for the best opportunities constantly. So here I have some extra Blues tokens, and I'm going to add in an extra 10 Blues tokens and stake it in the manual Blues pool. So I'm going to type in 10 and then click on Stake Blues. Everything there looks good in the confirmation screen. And now I'm just checking that transaction on my MetaMask wallet. Everything looks good. I'm going to click on confirm. Let that process, and it will just take a moment. And we are done. So now I've locked in an extra 20 Blues tokens into the manual Blues pool. Now I can collect the earnings at any time here. You can see from the top of the screen here, I've got some earnings to collect. So I'm going to collect the Blues tokens that I've earned from the manual Blues pools here. It isn't very much, but I'll just continue this as a demonstration. So I'll click on collect earnings. Everything looks good there. And what I can do here now is harvest the rewards and then compound it back into the manual Blues pool. And I'll do exactly that. Now the auto hodl pool, on the other hand, does this automatically. That's one of the biggest benefits of using the auto hodl pool. It will allow you to compound your rewards on a regular basis. It does this multiple times a day. Because the transactions are so low on the Milcommon network, it's worthwhile doing. So it will do that automatically for you. But in this case, now I have to sign a transaction on our MetaMask wallet to compound the rewards back into the manual hodl pool. All that looks good, so I'll confirm that transaction. Give it a couple of seconds and those rewards be harvested and then compounded back into the rewards pool there. There we go, and we're done. So it's that easy to play around with the yield pools on the Blueshift decentralized exchange.